Now let's look at some subsets of the data frame. By that I mean we're going to limit the rows and the columns. So the standard way to, well, there's a couple standard ways to do this. It's loc and iloc. So let's start with iloc, and iloc stands for index location. And it uses the syntax like loc of rows, comma, columns. So let's say I want to look at maybe the first 10 rows. And so what I can do is use regular slicing here. So that would be 0 to 10. Now, comma, okay? And now maybe I want to look at, I don't know, columns 3 through 8, okay? And so this is accessing the by rows and columns subsets of the data frame. So now if I press Shift Enter, you can see that it's showing the first 10 rows and columns 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, using standard slicing, excluding 8, okay? You can also use df.iloc to show something like just the last column. And so in this case, you would show all the rows, okay? That actually works for all, comma, just the last column, -1. And so as you can see, it's showing the count column, okay? So similarly, you could use df.iloc to show like, rows like 250 to 253, and then comma, all the columns. And so all the columns would be, again, the colon. And so the colon actually gives you all. And so you can see now we're limiting by the rows and not the columns here. So iloc is one of your best tools to actually get in there and to access rows and columns and combinations of them, okay, using indexing. Just think iloc index location.